Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Smart Split and floating windows on the VIVO X300. So on the VIVO X300 you have the options to use picture-in-picture mode, so there's floating a little tab, or you can do split screen by having two tabs open at the same time. And I'm going to show you how to enable those. So we'll start with split screen, and to do that we're going to have to open up an app. It can be pretty much any app, and then we're going to go to the open tabs section, so by tapping on this little icon on the bottom left, and then we're going to tap on the arrow next to the app's icon like this. It looks like I missed, so this screen should open up. And then we're going to enable split screen. So the first app has been opened, and then we need to select the second app. And once again, it can be pretty much any app you want. So I'm going to use, let's say, Gmail. And here, as you can see, two apps are now open at the same time. You can hold on the three dots right here to resize them like this. So you can make one window bigger, other smaller. Or we can also change the the position. So we can do one app on the top, one app on the bottom, or the other way around. So to enable floating window mode, you can either do that if you have split screen enabled. You can do that by just holding the app and dragging it into the other window, and smaller window will be enabled, as you can see. But there's also another way to do this, by opening up an app and then going back to the opened app collection by pressing on this icon on the bottom left, sorry, and then pressing the arrow icon next to the app icon once again and tapping small window. And here, as you can see, the window is now open. You can fully use it, and you can, for example, minimize it, make it full screen, or you can just close it down like this, or dragging it down to the bottom to the trash can icon. And that is pretty much it. This is how you do it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.